So here is the situation of the oxygen sensor. This is a lot of crust has been built up on the oxygen sensor, which was giving very inaccurate readings, and so we will be using WD-40 and we will spray it. We will let it soak for a while, and after that we will be using a toothbrush to remove the crust. The crust is coming off slowly. This is a badly choked sensor, so it might take some time to remove the crust and the carbon buildup from the oxygen sensor. So it requires some patience and energy to thoroughly clean this oxygen O2 sensor.